Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Wrangler key fob battery, updated. Start by locating the release tab, then use a flat tool to pry the case open carefully to avoid breaking clips. Remove the old CR2032 battery while noting polarity, and replace it with a new CR2032 matching the positive side as marked. Snap the case closed securely and test all functions including lock, unlock, and remote start to confirm success. Gather your tools and a fresh CR2032 before you start to keep the job quick and tidy. Open the fob by releasing the tab and prying the halves gently apart, then remove the old battery using tweezers if needed to protect the contacts. Insert the new CR2032 with the correct polarity, press the halves together until they click, and verify operation by pressing lock, unlock, and panic buttons to ensure reliable function. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and quick car fixes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read repair guides, PDF, and manuals anywhere, which is handy when you need step instructions under the hood or in the garage. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy easier reference while you work. Now let's get back to the video. If the replaced battery doesn't fix the issue, inspect the contact pads for dirt or corrosion and clean carefully with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Try removing the battery for about 10 seconds before reinserting to reset the fob electronics, then retest all buttons. When cleaning and a reset don't work, a locksmith or dealer can diagnose programming or module faults that a simple battery change cannot address, ensuring your key fob functions properly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.